G'day, this is Peter, back with another episode of the Property Club, and today we're looking at houses priced between 1 and 2 million Thai baht in Pattaya, Thailand. So let's get started. We're going to do this as quick as possible. As per usual, I'm looking at cheapest to most expensive. So having a look at this one to kickstart, this is a little townhouse in Pattaya for only 1.5 million. It's only a 2 bedroom, 2 bath with one car slot, but only for 1.5 million. So really very good price. This is the cheapest house that we have on the market today. The next one is this one, another townhouse priced at 1.69 million. And let's just have a quick look. It is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and it's quite near to Siam Country Club. So that's the location of this property. So only a small townhouse, but very good price at 1.69 million. Keep in mind, all the properties we're looking at today are houses. That means you can't own it in your own name. As a foreigner, you must have a Thai wife or set up a company. So you can actually set up a Thai company to buy one of these houses, which is usually the solution that a lot of foreigners select, to actually purchase a house in Thailand. So the next one, this is actually not a bad little house. It is a bit of a renovator, but it's a good size property, and it's only 1.85 million Thai baht. So a nice style, definitely a good style, and it's a good location. It says it's next to Basaba Resort and Spa, and also next to the Dusatani Village. Okay, so 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, marble floors with 2 car slots. So it looks like a tandem slot, but yeah, look, like the wallpaper needs fixing, might need some new paint, light fittings. It's a bit of a renovator's dream, to be honest. There is some work that does need to be done on this property, but hey, an extremely good price. Moving along, the next one is this Patio Townhouse. Yes, for only 1.85 million. It's a wonderful price. It was 2.2 million. It's down. It's gone down from 2.2 to 1.85 million. So very cheap indeed for a centrally located townhouse in Pattaya. So this is the location somewhere in here, which is in the main Pattaya area. Let's have a look through. It does look modern. It's like a tandem car park there. So nice modern townhouse for a very good price. Only 1.85 million. And honestly, these are just so cheap that it's worth just taking the punt, taking the risk, and actually setting up a company and buying, these townhouses. I remember seeing these, priced around the 3 million mark. Properties like this, were 3 million down to like high 1 millions now that COVID-19 has hit. Moving along, the next one, this is a pretty cool little property, nice property. It's got a rooftop deck, and we'll have a look at that just shortly. It's 1.89 million, and it's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 1 living room, and I definitely like that rooftop deck. It's really cool. It is actually quite near to Pattaya City for only 1.89. I'm not sure the exact location. It looks like it's somewhere in behind Jomtien, but it does say it's quite near to Pattaya. Let's have a look. This is the house. Nice looking home, actually. Looks quite modern. I'm very keen to see that rooftop deck. Let's have a look. Nice and modern inside. Looks like it's only recently been built. Looks like a new build. Very nice view. Love that deck. Unfortunately, that's about all the pictures we have of the deck, just that there. But can you imagine just hanging out on the rooftop deck, entertaining with friends? I mean, at that price, 1.89 million Thai baht, you can't go wrong. Moving along, this one for 1.99 million. So I believe this is in South Pattaya. South Pattaya is actually a very popular location. It's only on a small plot of land. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath due to the location. Nice marble floors inside of this townhouse it is. Let's have a look. That's the front of the townhouse. So it is, on a very skinny allotment. Okay, so the lot is quite small. Okay, I believe it's only, it says 16 squares, so I think it means 16 squares, which is probably around about 160 square meters. I don't think it's 16. You couldn't build anything on that. But yeah, that's actually a nice looking property for the area at 1.99 million in South Pattaya. Moving along is this one, very modern, very nice looking Thai style villa, and there's only 2 of these remaining, and it's 1.99 million. I'm just trying to work out the exact location. Doesn't tell me where exactly. It just kind of draws the map around the Pattaya area, so it might be, East Pattaya by the looks. Let's flick through and have a look at this house. Very nice. Yeah, double thumbs up on this one. It's a very nice home. Price at only 1.899 million, and there's 2 of these available in the estate. Moving along is this one. This actually looks similar to this one, but it's not the same. It is actually different. This is a little bit outside of Pattaya. It's actually in Ban Chang, and Ban Chang is a really nice, quiet area. Good. It actually has some, my friend was telling me it has some nice bars as well. So Ban Chang is not too far from Pattaya. It's a very good price for 2 million. This big size villa. It's really a villa, not really a small house. It's a good size villa in Ban Chang for only 2 million baht. And there's a second home there, but I don't think it's that one. I think it's just the single story starting from 2 million Thai baht in this village. Moving along is this one in Nam Nam village for sale, and it's very, very close by to Pattaya City. It is only 10 minutes away, okay? And this is priced at 2.2 million. Let's have a look. A look-see at this. Oh, wow. So it looks like it's in a private, village, and a nice village with facilities like that pool. That is not a private pool. That is part of the village. Nice lake and nice area to walk around in Nam Nam village. Oh, wow. I quite like that. That's cool. Nice big bath. Funky little house that for only 2.2 million. And remember, everything you see here today is negotiable. So this one, they say that they're selling it for a loss. It's a decent sized house, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Sorry, it's a 3 bedroom. I was reading the wrong line. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and it's in Soi Sukhumvit Satahip. So not a bad location indeed. 2.2 million, selling below the valuation price, and they are still negotiable from 2.2 million. Let's have a look at this. And honestly, looking at these houses in Thailand, I feel like even in the Philippines, we pay so much more, for accommodation, for housing. Thailand is just so cheap. Has to be like one of the cheapest locations in Asia to buy a house. So really, really good. Comparatively speaking to the West, well, there is no comparison. It's just so much cheaper. Moving along, let's move along to the next one. Nice little property. This is in Hua Yai. Hua Yai is a great location. They've got a nice lake there. It's near Buddha Mountain. There's a nice little 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It is a new property, and really nice for 2.35 million. Let's have a look. I actually really like the Hua Yai area. It does kind of remind me of like a Subic area, because it is, a bit, around mountains and trees and just with nature. I just think it's a really nice area, and I always have. Meanwhile, it's only like 20 minutes drive to Pattaya City, which is great too. So really good price, this one, for only 2.35 million. Usually houses in this area, Hua Yai, go for 4, 5, 6 million plus. Moving along is this one, 2.39 million, and it's a single house. Let's have a look at the location. And I think it's inland from Pattaya, so it looks like it's on the east side of the highway of Pattaya. And let's have a look at the house. Nice Thai style home for only 2.39 million, but it's a bit further inland. Personally, I prefer a location close to the mountains or the sea, like Hua Yai. but there are some very, very nice villages on the east side, especially there's some houses around the lake. This is interesting. Have a look at this. Don't know what's going on here, but you can see actually in the front of the garage they have these two dice. I wonder if they're doing some form of gambling there. That's a bit interesting. Moving along, the next one, let's have a look. It's another townhouse, and this is One Village, and it says the One Village. It says there is a car passing. Okay, I think just the translation is a bit bad. By the looks of it, it does look like it's in between Pattaya and Jomtien to the east side, so a nice little townhouse. So good sized townhouse here, and it is modern for 2.45 million Thai baht. Very nice indeed. Next one is this one, 2.49, and it's a single house, and it's a corner allotment in Huai Yai. Okay, so they are selling at a loss. Apparently it is a special promotional price, and it's only 2.49 million. Let's have a look at this. Nice little home on a corner allotment in Hoi Yai. Look at that. Actually, that is stunning. That's a really nice looking house. I can tell you right now that's 2.49 million, but like in the Philippines, if you're going to buy a house like that, it would cost at least probably 7 or 8 million peso versus 2.49 million Thai baht. So really, really nice property indeed, and at an affordable price as well. Moving along is this one. This looks like a little bit of a double up. Let me just double check. Yeah, it does actually look similar, but I'm not sure if it's the same. Let's have a flick through anyway. They say this is 2.6. Again, it says Hua Yai, so maybe it's in the same estate. This was priced at 3.3. It's now down to 2.6 million. I don't think it's the same house, but I think it's in the same estate because it does look a bit similar. Down from 3.3 million to 2.6. I like the roof there. That Thai style, that Asian looking roof is really cool. I think that's very nice. Beautiful home for only 2.6 million. Look how big that kitchen is. Wow. Man, do we get ripped off in the Western world. Moving along. This one is a centrally located townhouse in the center of Pattaya. So it does say it's central Pattaya. Right, it says Patio 12, so I'm assuming maybe it's near Soi 12, something like that. It is a very, very good price. It says it's near Terminal 21 and Nong O Temple and Central Pattaya, Big C Extra. So maybe it's kind of like on the eastern side of Central Pattaya. Very, very good price for Central Pattaya at 2.69 million. You just can't go wrong. Obviously, it's all about location, 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 and this has it. So let's have a look at this. Bit of an older style, but for 2.69, considering it's a townhouse in the center, I think it's extremely fairly priced, well priced. Next is this one, priced at 2.79 million. It is a twin house design, so it's kind of like a duplex design. 2.79 million. It's a new estate in the outskirts of Pattaya. Let's have a look. Really nice looking village, very modern, has nice facilities, pool, etc. I think it says easy living there. Let's have a look. Very nice pool. And this is the style of the house from 2.79 million. I believe that might be the actual house. Let's have a look. Yeah, that must be it. Really nice and modern looking. Decent sized garden, decent sized lot, and it looks quite modern inside for only 2.79 in a private gated estate. Moving along, this one is 2.95 million, 2.95. It says it is selling at a loss, and it's near Soi Siam Cross Railroad and near the market. Okay, the translation's not very good, sorry about that. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and beautiful house and a good location close to Pattaya. Let's have a look at this. Very nice looking home. It's a bit of an older style. It looks like it has recently been renovated though, so inside does look a bit modern. It's been updated. And that's the house. Now, last but not least, let's go to the last one. Drum roll. Okay, so the last one isn't exactly in Pattaya. It is a bit out. It's in Rayon. This is Rayon Beach, which is quite near to Pattaya, but I had to include this one. It's only 2.95 million near the beach. That's the beach there that it's close by to. It's a townhouse very, very close by, only a few hundred meters to the beachfront in Rayon. And I just thought, this is an awesome property. Let's have a look at this. 2.97, so I think it's a four-story townhouse. Four-story townhouse near the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 stories. You can see that quite near the beach in Rayon. Very, very nice indeed. I'd love to retire there. Thanks for watching. This has been Peter from the Property Club. Have a great day and bye for now. Double thumbs up.